Truckerslife in a bag, baby. Doing a little cook for the family tonight. I'm not in my truck, but I'm at home. I'm at my pop's house. We doing what we got to do tonight. I'm doing a shrimp pasta with a seafood boil. I already got the butter going for the shrimp. It's just with garlic, onion, parsley, chili powder, and lemon pepper. Then for the seafood boil, we're gonna do it pretty simple. We're gonna do it pretty simple, y'all. Let me move this stuff. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. Welcome to Compton, y'all. We're gonna take some of this lemon pepper. I'm gonna screw it, dump a bunch of this in here. In this pot too. Naya, tell Audie to come here. Got the Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Put that in there. Put that in there. Grab some onion powder. Put that in there. Put that in there. And we're gonna grab the Old Bay. Old Bay. Put that in there. Put that in there. Come here, Audie. Come show YouTube your face. She want to be on YouTube. My sisters want to be on YouTube, y'all. Show them. Show them. Where my sister at? That's my baby. That's my second youngest sister, Sadie. That's Audie. That's my Naya. That's Naya. That's Audie.
How can you not?
Naya, Audie. Naya's the youngest. Audie's right behind her.
It smells like cauliflowers.
But nah, y'all, we about to do this today.
You want me happy? You know my feature.
And then we gonna take a pack of butter.
Pack of butter. So what is this called?
This is
Shrimp?
my garlic parmesan shrimp with a seafood boil.
Just make sure you just
Unwrap those. I got my assistant, baby Sadie.
Thank you.
Put both of those in this one, and I'm gonna put both of these in this one.
Okay.
I gotta teach my sisters how to cook because they don't know how.
I do.
No, I'm talking about really
You can't
cook.
make top ramen, hush.
Okay, we're not gonna talk crap on the YouTube channel.
Sorry. Yeah, say sorry.
These are my teenage sisters, y'all. This is my brother Weefy right here.
Weefy, say hi to the YouTube.
We're recording for YouTube right now. What did he say?
He said hi, YouTube.
This is my brother Weefy. Yeah, he a whack whiner fan.
Nah, see.
You know this Cowboys Nation over here.
But what happens if you change from the Cowgirls team?
I'll never change. I got it tattooed on me. That'll never change.
You never know.
No, I know. I've been a Cowboys fan since I was 5 years old.
You probably got it from Wayne.
No. Me and Wayne became Cowboys fans at the same time. Alright, we're gonna let this boil. We're gonna let this right here cook up a little bit.
Let it render down.
We're gonna let these boil, and then we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back. It's that time.
We're about to put the crab legs in the boil.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I'm good at this.
Hmm?
See, I'm good at this.
You're a rookie. Alright. Just put the crab leg straight in there. No, just leave it.
Can I see what you're doing? Oh, you needed to?
Yeah, it's 5 pounds of crab legs.
Did you tell me that?
Well, they know now. Ooh, that was hot. Okay. We put the crab legs in.
Are you going to record yourself eating it?
I do my taste test sometimes. You might be the taste test. You're my helper.
You got a ball store? What is that? Don't say it.
What?
You're recording me.
You're always talking. Do I have a bald spot? No. My hair got stuck in my hat.
What?
You see how my sister treat me? Y'all see how my sister treat me? That's my baby sister, and she talking crap to me. You better tell her don't get beat up.
So you about to put the shrimp in?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna put the pasta on first.
Oh, you're putting the shrimp in the pasta?
No, I'm gonna put the shrimp in that, and then toss it. But I gotta get the pasta going soon.
But I want mine with pasta.
Ooh, that's hot. Good job.
Move quickly. See, I'm a good assistant.
You are sometimes.
This is my first time, so I'm like, great. I was in the middle of taking my pictures.
Okay. Go ask Dad if he has another pot so I can make the pasta. So we back. We about to finish this dinner up so we can eat. But let's check it out. Pasta's done. So what I'm gonna do? Take that off the heat. Move this bit back to the heat.
I got fat.
Yeah, hold on real quick. I'm recording right now. Yeah. Record right now. Hold on.
Why, you didn't tell me?
You're just putting the shrimp in the butter.
Yep. That's his assistant.
My assistant's too busy talking crap. So what we're gonna do? Take the shrimp out with my bare hands because I don't want all the water in there. Grab that other bag behind you.
Yep. Yes, sir. Huh?
Hold on, Weefy. We recording right now.
Yeah, I'm being his good assistant. I can't open it.
I know you're too weak.
You can't saw me on camera. Because we could get into some things.
She talking crap, but she ain't ready for them problems. My hands are all sticky from the butter.
Now what do you need? Ghostbusters.
I got it.
So I have to be a taste tester.
You gonna be?
I have to try the crab.
We're recording right now. We're going on YouTube.
What time? When is it posted?
That pasta was good without the shrimp.
You got
Don't ruin it. He said he was.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
Well, can you send me some more?
Can you tell me?
Hold on. You guys, we're recording right now. We're recording right now.
Go.
Go. We're recording.
Come on.
Show some respect for my channel.
Yeah.
Go.
Unless you gonna say hi or
Hey, you keep your hands to
And
yourself.
then we just mix it around so the shrimp gets all the seasoning on it.
Kill it. Wash those hands.
Ow.
And that's all you do is just mix it together. This is gonna be my last YouTube channel. That last YouTube video recording here.
Why?
Cause y'all ain't respecting my channel.
Sorry, no, it's because you also make jokes. Well, now you're being...
But show some respect.
Okay. Well, I'm here to help.
There we go.
So, it's done now?
That's gonna cook for about 10 minutes. Turn this off. And improve that one. And y'all, we'll be back.
Yeah.
We'll be back when it's done. Holla at you. Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
Alright, so we about to pick up a plate. Who's hungry? You hungry? Weefy. You ready to eat?
Trust me, you better ask him.
Huh?
You better ask him. Okay,
So I already know Weefy ready to eat. He like my food.
You need it.
Hey, we're on YouTube right now.
See, there you have a YouTube video. You thought I was lying. I'm making a plate. Put a lot of him. Didn't you make this before on your page?
No.
Something like it?
Similar, but no, not quite.
See, look at me. Sam.
My number one fan, so she says. But she ain't left no comments.
Because I watch... Yeah, I think something like that. Because I watch it on TV. I don't
She says she's my number one fan, but this is my sister. She ain't left a comment yet.
Yeah, how you a number one fan, but you ain't left a like, nor comment, or share,
That part.
or a subscription.
I have subscribed.
She subscribed, but she ain't left a like or a comment.
Exactly. How you
Because I
gonna
watch
get-
it on TV.
And you can still like.
That part.
Oh, now you just supported the person who almost killed your turtles? The turtle?
Don't start. You try to be smart, but you're on my channel still.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
You have to
My
listen
sister
to
don't know how to control their mouth.
Blame the parent.
You keep on. You're on his channel. He's not on yours.
That part.
See, I speak truth. I speak right.
Now you belong.
No,
in
she
my
just
home.
speak.
Leafy, you listen to a story time? You listen to a story time?
No, you watching people cook.
Put that right there. You dig into the water.
Well, look, I'm just eating cereal tonight.
What you do is you dig into the water, you curve out all the hot ones.
You gonna eat all that?
over that. There you go.
I can't be in here.
There we go, y'all. Hey, check this plate out. Boom. Boom. There we go, y'all. Y'all see, we do what we do.
Yeah.
In the kitchen or in the truck. Holla at y'all. Brother Weefy, let's see what he think. Cause you know family ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, hopefully they don't. Slurp, slurp.
Disregard the Niner. You see what I'm saying? Family always want to talk shit, but he know that shit fire, ain't it?
Yeah, you could get a little better on the salt. Not enough salt sweetness to it.
Huh?
But overall, pretty good.
You said more sauce? Or more salt?
I give this an 8 out of 10. No, I'm just playing. No, it's fire. I ain't even got down to the butter yet.
You see how my family try to make... Look, this is his first time on a goddamn channel. He want to talk shit. Motherfucker.
I'll make sure I watch this video over and over.
He took a bite. Was like, "What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Don't play with me." Don't worry, he gonna get beat up when we get off the channel.
I'll record the back there.
I'm just playing. This is my little bro, y'all. He giving me a hard time, but he know how I cook.
Trust me, he's little, bro.
That shit fire, ain't it?
Scampy up in there.
That motherfucker fire, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
You see, he talking shit, but he can't stop eating it, huh? But hey, y'all.
Hey, you didn't get to the crab legs.
We
the
out.
crab legs.
Oh, that's the crab leg.
Well, you're gonna have to wait for that.
Oh, shit, never mind. Truckers Life, and we out, y'all. Cowboys Nation, and we out. Y'all, Truckers Life, and I'm back. Family, it's a family taste test. Because we don't have a family taste test on my channel yet.
Oh, nice.
The first.
Okay. Get it. While I get it for it. I have burning it.
Hey, I told you it's fresh. That's fresh. It's garlic pasta, or garlic shrimp over pasta. So let's see what y'all think. Mm-hmm. Because you know, family's the first people that'll tell you when you F up.
They do. You know they're gonna tell you the truth.
But I know
like
I got a culinary degree, so I know my food ain't wrong. Let's see what Auntie say.
She survived but had to be hospitalized. Police say Brooks has been charged with crimes
I feel it's hot.
1999.
We will help those.
An emotional
It's fresh out.
to not let
Look
the
good.
tragedy define this tight-knit community.
We will work together to bring
This is how I cook, and I do this in my truck too.
The damage done to that
Let's see her reaction.
significant front end damage
She
to
like
what
the
appears to be a Ford. And the police chief says there's no evidence all this bloodshed was a
Oh, I see she like it.
Oh yeah, that's on point. Okay,
Christmas parade.
that's good. Okay. Yeah. Subscribe. Good. Thank you for thinking of us.
Oh, no
Thank you
problem,
for
man.
thinking of us as family.
Hey, it's no problem.
Yeah.
Hey,